metro and we are heading towards the river to watch the dragon boat races, and I am not the only person heading towards the river. It is crowded. So many humans. In China there's a lot of humans anyway, but this is more than usual. Luckily there are some clouds in the sky, so it's not super sunny right now. I brought my hat and I brought some water just in case, but right now we're okay. We're not dying. Hopefully it stays this way.
You say that I come out to get you off my mind. We've been done for.
Okay, I'm starting to hear sounds and even more people. I think I need to turn here. I'm gonna try and see if we can find a spot and find my friends. I don't know if I'll be able to. It's honestly going to be torture trying to find my friends in this. I don't know if it's worth it, but I'm going to try for a little bit and then go from there. I think there might be races on Saturday. I might go to Hong Kong on Saturday and check out those races because it can actually be early, because this is a hot mess. Just a lot.
Not trying to make you jealous. Not trying to make you jealous.
Somebody's up there on that bridge. They're not supposed to be.
I know you'd rather me.
Sounds like there's action happening. I'm just sweating. So apparently my friends saw me. I don't see them, but I'm just walking and I'm gonna stop in the shade and then hopefully I can run into them. There's Ping An. Found my friends a little bit late. It is hot. Yeah, it looks cute, but it looks also very hot. I missed the races, but I heard some of the music and it sounded like it was bumping, so 10 out of 10. 7, okay, 5 out of 10. Okay, there were some entrances. We might be seeing a start of another one. Can I see from here? Can I see? Not really. Okay, we got higher, but I don't think we're gonna be able to see. There's so many people.
Trying to make you jealous. Not trying to make you jealous. Trying to make you jealous.
I put on a hat and I'm hot, but we saw one boat go by, so I'm a dragon boat expert.
好的，第二个是札幌市龙舟协会龙舟队，第二个是香港碧海龙舟队，加油！
Dragon boat race. Huh? I think this is the last day. That was awesome. I'm glad we got to see it. Thanks so much for watching my video on the dragon boat races. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!